Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start immediately by killing power at the breaker and confirming the microwave is unplugged. This protects you and the circuit. Once done, measure cabinet depth and mark the center line for a 3 or 4 duct to the outside, because alignment matters for airflow. Now remove mounting bolts while you support the appliance and gently slide the microwave clear. Make sure to keep screws and brackets labeled so reassembly is efficient and you don't lose the critical mounting hardware. You now route the duct. Cut the cabinet or wall precisely along your center line using a jigsaw or hole saw for a clean opening, because rough cuts cause leaks. Once the hole is ready, feed rigid or semi-rigid duct to the exterior vent, keeping bends to a minimum and total run under 25 feet to maintain performance. Make sure you secure connections with foil tape and clamps, and install a backdraft damper if the microwave or vent hood lacks one to prevent outside air. You finish by rehanging the microwave on its mounting bracket, securing all bolts, then reconnecting power. Once done, run the vent at high speed and confirm strong exhaust at the exterior vent while checking for air leaks along joints. This proves proper installation. If airflow is weak, inspect for crushed or undersized duct, excessive bends, or a missing damper. Those are the usual culprits. If you find a problem, tighten clamps. Replace flexible duct with rigid where possible, and reseal joints with foil tape to restore.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.